Hello, and welcome to the first day of Peace, Mind, and Body Yoga Challenge. Today we're going to go over something that we all know how to do, but not necessarily are taught how to do it properly, which is breathing. In yoga, we call this pranayama breathing, which is the practice of breath control. So we will go ahead and get started laying flat on your mat, taking any leg variation that's comfortable. You can have your legs straight out in front of you, or bringing your heels of your feet together, knees open wide, or taking the heels of your feet, placing it flat on the mat, hip distance apart. Placing your arms by your side, palms up for receiving or facing down for grounding. Once you get into that comfortable position, try to let your body sink into the mat, letting go of any tension that you may have in your body. Moving from your feet all the way up to your head. Releasing your ankles, your thighs, your hips, chest, shoulders, arms, your head. Relaxing your jaw, letting your tongue drop from the roof of your mouth, and closing your eyes. And while you're lying here, try to relax your body. Try to slow down your breathing. Every inhale, your stomach should rise. And every exhale, you should be pulling your stomach in, down towards the mat. Focus on your breathing, allowing your body to stay relaxed, relaxing your mind, but making sure you're breathing in a comfortable manner. Inhaling in through the nose and exhaling through the nose. If you would like to set an intention, I give you the space to do so right now. If you do not have an intention, focus on you. Try bringing your intention to this current moment, letting go of what's happening in the world, outside of your house, inside your house, within your family, anything that is causing you to not relax and be in the present moment. So as you're doing your inhales and exhales, inhaling in any positivity and exhaling anything that you do not want with you. Your mind might drift away a little bit. Acknowledge that thought that comes to mind. And if it's something that you do not want with you, exhale that out as you are exhaling. We are going to do some deep belly breathing. Continuing to inhale in through the nose, but having an audible exhale out through the mouth. So on your next exhale, exhale all the air out. Take a deep inhale in through the nose. Part the lips and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale in through the nose. Part the lips and slowly exhale out through the mouth. Continuing to do the audible exhales and remembering to push out anything that you do not want with you. Returning your breathing back to the normal, inhaling in through the nose and exhaling through the nose. And allowing your body to sink deeper and deeper into the mat on every exhale. To make sure that you're evenly filling up your lungs, you can place your right hand over your belly and your left hand over your chest. And every inhale, allow your breath to move your hands in the direction that the air is moving throughout your body. Inhaling and having your right hand rise up with your belly until your belly is full and the air comes all the way up through your rib cage, bringing your left hand to rise. And on an exhale, releasing the air from your chest and allowing your left hand to roll down as your right hand rolls down with your belly as it pulls into the mat. Creating the sensation of an ocean wave with your hands every time you inhale and exhale. There. Remembering the intention you set in the beginning of this session. If you did not have an intention, remembering to focus on you. Continuing to connect with yourself through the breath. Allowing the breath to ease your mind. And bringing peace within. Creating that safe space to allow you to be present in this current moment for yourself. Because you deserve it. You deserve to have a few moments to yourself throughout the day. For you to connect with you, to focus on you, so that you can be the best version of yourself. On your next inhale, pull your knees into your chest, giving yourself a nice big hug. You can slowly rock left and right, giving your spine a nice little massage after laying still for so long. If you like a deeper stretch, you can pull your head into your knees, creating a deeper stretch down your neck and down through the spine. And releasing your arms and your legs down onto the mat. Extending your arms and legs out, getting a nice good morning or good evening stretch. Doing a few wrist rotations, going in both directions, rotating the ankles, one foot at a time or doing both at the same time. And when you are ready, make your way onto one side of the mat into a fetal position. Collecting your thoughts one more time. Feeling the sensation in your body. And just coming back into your connectiveness. And when you're ready, you can press into your arm, pressing up into an easy seat position. Hands at heart center. Eyes are closed or gaze slightly lowered. Remembering that the feeling that you're feeling does not have to stay just on the mat. You can take this feeling out with you into the world, throughout the rest of the day, the evening, the week, the month, the year, however long that you want to keep that feeling that you're feeling. The light in me sees the light in you. Namaste. I would like to thank everybody for tuning in and doing some pranayama breathing with me today. Please remember that this breathing does not just pertain to yoga. You can utilize this throughout your day, anytime you start feeling some type of anxiety, stress, or just need to clear your mind. Take a few deep breaths and just let it go. So I challenge you throughout the day, if you feel stress, anxiety, little tense, any type of feeling that you're not happy with, take a few breaths. Take a few deep inhales and exhales and see if it makes you feel better and what difference it makes throughout your day. Don't forget to post any videos or pictures that you took while doing your practice. Make sure that you tag me with it and use a hashtag Peace, Mind, and Body Yoga Challenge and hashtag I am Supa. And if you're not following me or subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that so you can see all the videos and pictures that I post. If you have any questions, please send me a message and I will definitely respond back to you.